Game 2 of Token Druid, which is admittedly not that great, but something I enjoy playing. Let's see here. What am I against? Warrior. So that might be combo or might be not combo. Saving violet is nice. Saving 2 violets. I'd rather not actually. I want to curve a bit lower than that. We want to get those wild growths. There we go. Yeah, this is nice. I think drawing an innervate would be. I mean, it's still turn 3, turn 4, turn 5, which is, you know, hard for him to deal with. Let's see. I want him to mulligan his entire hand. That doesn't mean he has anything. Yeah, he doesn't have War Axe if he mulligans the entire one. You can see up here what he does. Let's see. I saved this entire hand. I'm a bit scared. I think this is one of the better boards you can interact with. Hey guys, it's Preparing here. So, which board is the best board? That's really good. Such a good draw. Not really against Warrior though. It's decent. Oh yeah, it's definitely combo. So this Wild Growth this. Alright, I would love Power of the Wild. Power of the Wild would be sick. Like wicked sick. I could have a turn 4 Agent of Lore. I think that might actually be worth it. Made to fit. Yeah, that's definitely worth it unless I draw. Yep. Unless I draw Power of the Wild. I think I need Power of the Wild for a Violet Teacher to be played. There we go. It's a lot better. And I think playing it on turn 6 with the, you know, newly drawn Power of the Wild is not a bad play. Definitely not a bad play. It's actually a really good one. So you get turn 5 or turn 5 depending on what I choose. I think I might pick the Druid or Claw. Doesn't die to Death Bite. That you're not gonna kill the 5/5? I don't know if I agree. I don't think I do. Let's see. Yeah, he's gonna kill it. That's good. That's definitely what I would have done. Never mind. Okay. I guess. Probably just gonna trade it there. There's really no reason to keep it up. I mean, it's 5 damage, and 5 damage is not really significant enough to, you know, justify going face there. Why can't you do anything with this one? It's so disappointing. So do I hit that? I don't think I do. I really don't think I do. He's gonna be able to deal a lot of damage to me. Is there anything I can do to that? No. Oops. Oh, this is gonna be painful, most likely. That was a misplay. I should have attacked and then played the... Does he have lethal? No, there's no way he can deal 30 damage. No. 2 armor smiths? Seriously now? I usually don't run 2. Does he have execute? I think he does. Holy crap. This is painful. This is very painful. Well. I think I need to use Force of Nature to clear. I mean, it could have been worse. Definitely could have been worse. Whoops. I should have cleared the armor smith first. Oh, it's now that he has lethal too. Yeah. Squelch. Even though he got me down to 16, I think I'm actually fine. And I'm no longer fine. There's nothing I can do though. Is there? No. Thick boom. Even though I could play as a Drake Shade, I think I'd rather Dr. Boom. Let's see here. Alright. Oh, he doesn't have Grim Patron. Does he just go face? I think he does. Yeah. He's gonna trade there. Hopefully it hits something good. Not like his face. Yeah. That's pretty good, I would say. I would trade Boom there. Definitely trade Boom. Yeah, he's thinking about it at least. Yeah. Good, that's the right play. I think I need to I want to kill this one. Oh, it's good. Oh,
A natural mistake.
well. Oh, perfect. I think I'm gonna do this anyways. There's no other play. Okay. Okay, we're fine. The 16 HP puts us a bit. Oh yeah, boy. That's pretty sick. If I can get this to survive a turn without, him just drawing cards, oh, that'd be beautiful. So he doesn't have much. Using Battle Rage to draw one card. Using Battle Rage to draw one card again means he's, he's probably out of answers by now. He's gonna go face, yeah. I did not agree on that play. Can I win this? I didn't actually think I could win this after I lost board control that one time. This looks super good. It really does. This adds 16 damage. I'm sitting at lethal right now. 16, 26. Yeah, I'm at 20. I'm at 30 damage if he doesn't clear anything. That's pretty sick. 30, 31 actually. I have hero power. Let's just hope he plays like Boom to stabilize. Or try to. I know, stabilize in quotation marks. If he hits this and executes, that's not lethal. No, that removes 4 damage. When you're thinking with Savage Row, think that it's 2 times the amount of characters you are. So you're gonna trade there, aren't you? Or are you just gonna leave that there? Wait, what? So you're... Do I agree on that play? I definitely do not. Is Druid of the Claw lethal? Is any charge minion lethal? I think so. Yeah. Definitely. I do not agree on that play. Or I don't know his hand, but... Is that lethal? That's 12... 12... 17... 17, 20... Wait. 5 plus 12 is 17. 21. Ah, 1 damage off lethal. Or am I? Yeah, I'm fairly sure I am. I mean, 3 more damage. Yeah, 1 more. 1 damage. I was 1 damage off lethal there. Let's hope he has enough to clear. boom. And plunder. Lethal. So that gives them 9 plus 9. Yes, lethal. Alright. Second game. Done. So that's rank 5. Actually got it today. That's very nice. Time for game 3.